Have you ever wondered what it would be like if a parrot could solve mysteries? Witness this unusual talent in the 1941 cartoon Popeye and the Pirates. In a lesser-known yet captivating scene, Popeye and his crew are held captive by a band of bumbling pirates. The pirate's parrot, a wisecracking bird with a knack for solving riddles, becomes the unlikely hero. As the pirates argue over their treasure map, the parrot cleverly pieces together clues, revealing hidden compartments and secret codes. With every squawk and flutter, the tension builds, leading to a hilarious yet pivotal moment when the parrot outsmarts the pirates, freeing Popeye and his friends. This scene, complete with English subtitles and voiceover, adds a layer of ingenuity and comedy to the classic tale, making it a notable and endearing chapter in American cartoon history.